Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the CLK here. We'll show you how to remove and replace shocks, strut supports on the hood on Mercedes vehicles, guys. Many will be about the same procedure. That CLK that we're demonstrating now is I think a 2000 model, but E-Class will be the same, that generation I believe. So he has two supports, two strut supports, as you can see, left and right. And what's important about it, to do it right, otherwise you can hurt yourself. This one has the lift to mat right here. So, which means that you can put the hood in service position. As you know, we have the video how to do that. Quick demonstration now, because we'll need to do that for the video. When you open the hood, put it down a little bit. Now, don't pinch your fingers here, but there is a metal piece, that one. Push towards the back, and one person needs to open the hood all the way. Okay, you can see that's a safety lock there. So now it's all the way up. What we're going to do now, we can go ahead and start on removing the actually the strut shocks, and we'll start with the left side first here, the driver's side. And you have to be careful, or probably have to wear eye protection, because they have spring-loaded stuff right here. Those are little springs that hold it in place. So you need to pull those out. Okay, like that. They need to be out. They're practically all the way out, but we haven't removed them all the way. Okay guys, and one is out. Okay, you can see, perfect. Now for the other one, you have to have a person holding it all the time, because that's one heavy hood, so you don't want to hurt anybody. Okay, so the same procedure on this side as well. We need to pull that metal piece out, and stay with us to see how to install them. Okay, perfect. Second one is out. So you can see, guys, we have both of them out now in no time. We're going to go ahead and install them now. Okay, so now we will open the hood. Okay, and again you have that safety that will not let you open it all the way, so have to remember to press it in, okay, and open all the way. Now we can go ahead and start installing them. So you need to make sure that the metal piece is still out. Okay, you press it in and you push that spring. Check it out now. And this one is in piece already. And you have to do the same to the other side. Okay, adjust it to go. This one didn't go all the way in. Okay, perfect. We heard the snap. Alright guys, so now we can go ahead and let it down. So that will be the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.